Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile Vaunn medical adjustable overbed bedside table with wheels, perfect for both hospital and home use. This multifunctional table provides a sturdy support platform for individuals with physical limitations, making daily routines like eating, drinking, and reading in bed more accessible, and it can even be lowered for convenient use as a wheelchair table. With its instant raise mechanism, you can effortlessly adjust the table height between 29 and 43 inches using just one hand, while the safety lever ensures secure lowering. The water-resistant, sturdy plastic tabletop is non-reactive to chemicals and features an integrated rim to prevent items from sliding off. Highly recommended by doctors, this top-selling table is trusted by hospitals and clinics for its durability and safety. Its high-strength steel frame is encased in protective polypropylene, minimizing accidents like feet hitting the base, and it includes 4 smooth roll swivel casters for easy movement around the house. Assembly is straightforward, requiring just a 13mm and 14mm wrench and a Phillips screwdriver, ensuring you can start enjoying the benefits of this reliable overbed table in no time.